Parametric Calm Cup 3D Configurator is a straightforward CAD editor designed to facilitate the creation of customized cup variations through the manipulation of key sliders. Users can effortlessly adjust parameters such as height, radius, handle count, and more. The configurator enables the export of files in various formats, including STL for 3D printing, GLB for optimal compatibility, or STEP for integration into professional CAD software. This tool streamlines and expedites the design process, offering a faster alternative to the traditionally time-consuming manual modeling operation. While the proprietary algorithm generates the cup design, the configurator's user interface, as showcased in the accompanying video, is open source and accessible to our subscribers. For a deeper understanding of its functionality, feel free to explore the provided resources on our website. Moreover, the same cup algorithm is seamlessly integrated into our professional parametric CAD editors, such as Rete. Users can locate the cup component within its category, configure inputs, and initiate the design process with a simple click. For those preferring the Blockly editor, a cup component and a draw component are essential. The cup component defines the shape, while the draw component translates this shape into a visual mesh representation. Unlocking the full potential of our 3D platform is made possible through subscription to our paid plans. Subscribers not only gain access to the Parametric Calm Cup 3D configurator, but also benefit from examples featuring intricate 3D scenes. These scenes showcase the combination of multiple 3D models into cohesive parametric environments. The procedural nature of geometry generation within these scenes empowers users to create advanced 3D models effortlessly, which can be exported to STL, STEP, or GLB files with ease. Don't hesitate. Subscribe today and harness the capabilities of our 3D platform for your design needs.